Welcome back to Surprise Eggs and Toys. It's Mommy and me.
And we're gonna unbox 500 crickets today.
500?
500. We ordered these crickets from Predator Foods and there's no air holes. I never ordered from them before, so I figure we better quickly open them.
Yeah.
And make sure they're okay in there. Okay, let's see how they're doing. All right, we have some. And we put them in this big Tupperware tote. Okay, looks like most of them are doing well. They came with this hot cold pack, so it probably was heat in here because it's not cold, but it wasn't hot either. So we'll throw that away once all the crickets are off of it. And they have a carton. And it looks like there's food in there.
Yeah.
Looks like a potato.
Yeah, so that they could eat it.
Yeah, so they have food on the way.
That was kind of a smart idea.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Let's see if they'll come out.
Oh, that's a lot of crickets jumping at one time.
Make sure I got them all.
This is like their playhouse, the egg cartons.
Yeah. Crickets like egg cartons because they like to be in the dark.
They're like, okay, let's find our playhouse. It's actually a playhouse, but I call it a playhouse because they like the egg cartons.
Yeah, there's lots and lots of them, and I think I ordered the medium size. Yeah, medium. So there's 500 medium crickets. It looks like there's hardly any. There's some on the bottom that didn't make it, but most of are doing well.
They're trying to get out.
Okay, so we also have some extra egg cartons and food and different things to put in, but before we do that, we're gonna see if Sweetie wants any crickets. All right, Sweetie was sleeping. We had to wake him up. So let's see if he wants any of the 500 crickets we got. Go ahead, Sweet.
He gets to go in.
Mm-hmm. Look at that wall of crickets right there. You want some? What are those things? Uh-oh, one's on your rack.
There's nothing on my rack. Oh, they're calling Sweetie. That's like a cave for them. Sweetie's getting attacked by crickets.
No, they're just walking on them. You want some? Look. Maybe he's not hungry? Look at all that. Alright, so now we're gonna give them their food and give them some more egg cartons. And if you don't have enough egg cartons at your house, you can use toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls.
Yes.
Okay, so their food is this mixture. Alright, so this is a mixture that we made ourselves. It is a combination of dry cat food that we crunched up, cereal, Cheerios, and Chex that we had that was stale. It's also the dry bearded dragon food that you could buy at the store that Sweetie doesn't like a lot. That's crunched up in here. I think that's about it. And then we just put it on a little dish, a lid to a dish, and then the crickets eat it. So what we use for water are these water crystals. They're sort of like Orbeez. You put them in water and they grow. We don't have a lot made right now. This is what we have made, and we're gonna make some more because we just ran out. We use the water crystals because any bowls of water or any really standing water is dangerous for crickets because they often drown. So if you have water crystals, they can just suck the water out of them. You can also use cotton balls or paper towels. Any sort of water source that's not standing water works for crickets. So we'll put that in, and we're going to make some more gel water for later. Alright, so then you can add some more space for them to live in. You can add paper towel rolls that they like to hide in. And you can also add some more egg cartons. So I usually like to break those in half. They like to hide in there. The only thing you want to make sure too is that your water crystals are not touching your paper, like the paper egg cartons or the paper towel rolls, because it'll suck up the water and then there'll be no water left. So you keep the housing, so you keep the stuff that they're going to live in on one side, and then you keep the food and the water, really the water, way on the other side. Also, if you're using a big plastic container, you want to cut holes in the lid, and then we put mesh over top of the holes and taped it so they don't escape. So then they have their air. Alright, Sweetie was being stubborn about eating crickets when we just got them. Let's see if he'll eat them in his cage. There we go. And the lighting always looks a little funny because of his UV lights. Yeah, he's for sure hungry now. You all done? Alright, let's see if Honey Bun wants some. Honey Bun, look. Honey Bun will hunt. There's one at your foot. There it is. Let's see if he wants some more. There's some over there. There's some over here. Looks like you have blueberry on your chin. Do you have blueberry on your chin? Here come, honey bun. They can be quick sometimes. All right, you want any more? You got a couple more running around. Alright, I think that's all for now. He'll get the stragglers, I believe. He's a good hunter, aren't you, honey bun? Alright, that's all we have for today.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and share with your friends. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.